Hi, welcome back to Everyday Gourmet Meal Enhancements Made Simple. I'm Don Reed, owner of Strawberry Tree Farm Sales, with another cooking tip to either save you time, avoid frustration, or bring out your natural creativity. Your family is going to smile and say, "Oh yes, that is so good. Let's do it." In this segment, we're very excited to bring you a demonstration of how we make one of our most popular items that people sample at events. And that is the Philly cheeseburger stew. Except today, we're going to show you how to make it into a dip. And we're going to do it in 3 segments. First segment is going to be showing you how we get it started with our creamy Idaho potato mix with a lot of vegetables in. The second part, we're going to show you how we make the cheddar taste like Cheese Whiz. And the third part, we're going to bring all 3 things together. The cheddar with the ground beef, and we're going to bring everything together then with our creamy Idaho. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to begin by adding the mix to 4 cups of water. We're using 4 cups of water instead of 6 because we need it thicker, because remember, we're making a dip. We're not making the stew. And the first thing we want to do, we have the heat turned on, is we want to whisk the contents of that package into the water until it's dissolved. And then we're going to bring it to a boil. Okay, now we have it brought to a boil. We're going to add our own preferred spices. They're very, very veggie. Just a touch over a tablespoon. We're going to add the roasted onion delight, which is a little over a tablespoon. We're going to add slightly less than a tablespoon of the boomerang jack. A little of it goes a long way. But that amount right there is going to be delicious. Now we're going to mix this in. We're going to cook it on medium-low. Check it at 20 minutes. And while we're doing that, we're going to show you how to make cheddar taste like Cheese Whiz. We're going to start with a cup of evaporated milk that's been simmered. It's not boiled, just simmered. I'm going to put that in the blender. Then use 2 to 3 cups of cheddar. This is really 8 ounces, so a little over 2 cups. That's going to go in. And then we need a half teaspoon dried mustard. Need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And 2 ounces of plain old cream cheese. We're going to put the lid on. And we're going to blend it to our desired thickness. Okay, now we see our mix is cooked, so we're going to bring everything together. Because you can see that it's cooked down, the liquid's cooked down, so the first thing we're going to add in our cheddar, and then we're going to add in the ground beef that we browned earlier. Now, we're going to mix everything up, and as you do that, you can decide, do you want more liquid or not? In this case, we're making a dip. So I think that as we mix this all together, and we'll need to rewarm the ground beef, that is really a very good consistency for a Philly cheesesteak dip. Okay, now we're just going to take a little sample of this out. You might serve it in a dish like this. Let me just see if there's anyone close by who might want to taste this.
I'll try it.
Okay.
Looks good enough to be delicious.
That ought to work.